What's up, guys? Welcome to Hustle with AI, the only channel which teaches you how to hustle with AI. So in today's video, I'll be taking you over the walkthrough of me creating my very first chatbot, which I created with Botpress, by the way. And this is my very first chatbot that I've created with a no-code tool called Botpress. So lately I've been on YouTube and I've seen many videos, especially from this guy, about how to create a chatbot. And also when I search how to build a chatbot, there are many results. Yeah, there are many results that pop. So today I'm giving it a go, guys. So let me just show you the process of me creating my very first chatbot. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so this is the platform, this is the interface. It's a no-code platform, so you basically drag and drop. You can edit text, you can add an event listener. So basically, like to capture information from the user, you can add something like a, let me say, a name field. You name the variable, and then it's going, you enter the text. It's going to ask the user, what is your name? They enter their name there, and then it captures that name in the variable. And then later on, you can call those variables and store them in a spreadsheet or store them in a table or wherever you want to store them. Or if you have Zapier Zapier webhooks, where you can now actually send them to your platforms which you integrated with Zapier. So this is a very nice platform, very easy to use. So this was my first bot that I created, and the logic kept building as I started. The logic wasn't so clear.
A few moments later.
So now this is a fast forward. I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you guys this very quick. Yes, I think everything is clear now. You get the platform. I'll just take you through what the board is about later, and I'll actually show you how the board works once I have a few steps covered from the board. So the board actually greets you, and then it gives you three options in the beginning. You have three options to choose from, and then from those three options it's going to ask for more information about the option you chose, and then from there it's going to now branch out. From those three options, they also have options within them, so you are now going to be taken through each. As you can see from this one, there is very soon, there is in a few days, there is in a few weeks. So those are the three options. If you choose each of the options, is going to take you to the branch. It's sort of like a guided conversation, because you are trying to get only the important information from the client or from the lead with this chatbot, and then it's going to be stored in our spreadsheet, and then it sends the client the notification that there is a lead captured, or there's someone who sent over their information which you need to get to. So this is the basic structure of our chatbot as I'm still going through the chatbot. It's nothing complicated, nothing much. It's just and most of the flows are repetitive, so I'm going to just copy and paste some of the nodes and just change the variable names there. And then maybe for other, as you know, for very soon, there's an option for very soon. If you didn't select very soon and then you selected maybe in a few days or something, I'm going to add a text field, error input field, which is going to ask you why this is not urgent for you, or why didn't you select very soon, which I think will also give the person who's going to own this bot more information about their lead, why this issue is not urgent to them. So yeah, I'm still coming up with the logic as I develop. And by the way, this was my first time using Botpress, and this is what I have so far. This is my first bot, and I must say it wasn't that difficult to use, guys. And this is not exactly a tutorial video. I'm just showing you the process of me creating my first bot. But you can comment down below if you want a tutorial video where I'm going to show you each and everything, give you a step-by-step guide of the tutorial. Yeah, so this is how the chatbot flows. So now let's test the chatbot on the side. You can see you send the message. It gives you three options. You select either option. It's going to ask you again to provide more detail about the option you chose. Okay.
Okay.
And then from there, it's going to ask you for other, and then once you choose that option, it's now going to ask you for for the user input. So basically this is where you're going to capture the user details, and all those details that you are capturing are going to be stored in these variables that I just created. The variables I created are going to be stored in your spreadsheet or in your table, or whichever way you store your data. And then after this thing completes and then it got the user data, it's going to also give them an option to also book a call. When you are done, you publish your bot. It takes a few seconds or a minute or so. After publishing, there's a share button which you're going to click, which is going to give you a link to your bot. So this is where you can actually now test the bot on its own page. Okay, it's done. This is our chatbot. So now the chatbot is on its own page where you can show the client what the bot does. Okay, so this is the same process I just went through. I'm just testing the bot again to see how it functions. The three options, you choose one. It's going to ask for more information about the option you chose. So this is where you're going to enter the information. Okay, it's going to give you another three options to choose from to know which kind of solution you might need. And then now it's asking you that option, why didn't you choose very soon, just for more information. And then now it's going to capture all the data that you're going to be entering, which is your name, your email, your phone number, which is relevant for the client that uses this chatbot. The one I'm creating this chatbot for, they need all that information. There you have it, guys. I hope you guys are excited. I'm also excited, and I'm very happy for the results, as this is my very first chatbot, and I can see there's room for improvement, and I'll keep learning as I keep integrating those tools in my workflow. As Botpress is the first one, we still have Stack AI, we still have Voice Flow. There are many platforms to create bots, and most of these are no code. Some also use AI. You can also integrate open AI for some of us who like ChatGPT. So I'd like you to join me in the journey, and I'll keep updating you guys, and soon I'll also do a tutorial video for this WordPress platform. This was not a tutorial, but I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and comment below. Your support is highly valuable to me. See you on the next one.